有一个5瓦色那个不是，有瓦色的啊，没有瓦色的，该丢一烂了，要换过的。
The LED body, the LED coil is 40, and the body and coil now is unable to remove. 你手去转它看 ，unable to remove 啊。OK， 可以。Okay, the color code lah. When do measuring, the grey color to black to yellow to red to orange. Okay, grey to what color?
Hey, black.
Black, grey to black, 46 ohm. Okay.
Yellow.
Grey to yellow, 45.7 ohm. Okay. Grey to red color, 45 ohm. Okay.
Orange.
Grey to orange, 90 ohm. This coil reading is out. Okay. This LED need to replace the LED body. The LED coil is 40. Hi, I'm Bon. This is Daikin VRV 3. This is an indoor unit. We found the LED coil is 40. The reading is out. This is a new LED coil. We need to replace. Okay, I show you the LED coil reading. Normally the LED body 40, most is corroded, either the wire damage, the coil reading, no. Okay, the coil damage, reading, okay, read to grey color, okay, to black color, okay, 47 ohm, okay, to yellow, 47 ohm, okay, to red, 47 ohm, okay, to orange, 47 ohm, must equal, okay. If you measure black to yellow to red to orange, must be double, must be around 90 ohm. Okay, 等下 okay, black to yellow, 94. Black to red, 94. Black to orange, 94. Okay. This is new one. The reading is good. Okay. For that one is one of the coil. The reading is out for orange color. Okay. That's why the LED unable to open.
是啊，我就在想。
有一点啊，差不多。
上了啊，再喷呢，再喷油一点。
照。
不要，我不是赖妹。那你说，我去跑开搞丢掉了。掉，没有用。
Okay, oil remove,
这个
没有生锈啊。
它不是生锈，它只是那个灰色这样子，它那个黑色的那个沙这样啊。要滑放一点油再抹就干净。
来。 Come on. Size nice. Must hook properly. New one. Just replace.
要走3D吧？我该不哪一那边啊？我不懂啊。
没有，你那边俄罗斯。
这家10多年了，2009年了，2011。
哎，有个5瓦色那个不是，6瓦色的啊，没有6瓦色的，该丢一烂了，那换过了。
里面。
哇，不会走啊？有没有缝？
有耐啊，那我 reset。
啊？
他等一下。
没有，你坐那边拍。
有耐啊？等他 reception，等他 communication。
你听到他走东西走过声音了吗？
有啊，好在，在走，在走啊。大家小朋友。
不会。
不会，你在那上。
Hey, job is done. Aircon is cool. Gas 还要check过吗？因为
差不多。